I got a query of one of my students saying that, sir, you always say do what you love to do, but I love many things, so what do I choose from it? Okay, even I had this problem in my earlier stages. Like for an example, I love three things the most. First of all, one is teaching, and second is yoga, and third is music. Okay, so but you need to select any one. You can't do three at a time. Even if you can do, there must be a condition that you have a time, you are free whole day, and you can do it, right? So how to choose any one from three of them? For an example, I'm giving my example, you can relate it with your life. So I have chosen teaching field because right now at present I'm contributing some little amount to my family, or you can say household expenses. So I need some source from where I can earn. So teaching is the field from where I can earn right now. So I have chosen teaching field at present. So what about yoga and music? Once I am good and settled down with my earnings, if I get time in entire day, I can practice yoga or I can practice music, right? But if your condition right now is like you need not to pay anything, you need not to pay a single penny, a single amount to your family, or contribute something to your some money to your family, then suppose if this was my condition that I need not to contribute anything at my home or household expenses, then I would have chosen yoga. Because see, I can enter in the course of yoga, I can learn it, I can be more practical with it, I can practice it, and I can improve myself in yoga. Or else I would have taken a course of music and I would have learned music, right? So if your condition right now is like you don't have any responsibilities right now, so you can keep on learning, right? Don't stop learning. So you can keep on learning. But if you have any responsibilities, you need to choose a career which can provide you money right now. So teaching field is providing money right now, so I am doing it. After few months or years, if I am stable with my money or whatever I am doing in my teaching field, then I can go for another. But be sure, make sure that you don't try to do everything at a time, right? Because when you try doing multiple things at a time, you lost your concentration, right? You can't focus much on teaching, you can't focus much on yoga, you can't focus much on music. So select any one thing that you can do right now and start doing it. Simple. So start working on it, right? I hope you got a little bit clarification. I won't say that you got whole and soul clarification. So if you have any queries, you can comment me.